let A and B be two independent events such that probability A and not B is 0.16 and probability A not and B is 0.36, given that probability of A and B is x, find the value of x. We can use the Venn diagram to illustrate the situation, and it looks like this. A, B, and probability A and B, it's x, it's here. A and not B, it's A only, so 0.16 is here, and A not and B, so it's B only, 0.36. And we know a formula that probability A of B is equal to probability A plus probability B minus probability A and B. It is given in a data booklet, and we can see that we can get an equation in terms of x. Probability of A is equal to 0.16 plus x, because A means all circle, not A only. Probability of B is 0.36 plus x. Probability of A and B, we can write that it's probability A multiplied by probability B, because A and B are independent events, and probability A and B is equal to probability A multiplied by probability B. This formula is given in a data booklet. And probability A or B, it's this region, so we can also represent it in terms of x. So it becomes probability A or B, it's 0.16 plus x plus 0.36 is equal to 0.16 plus x plus 0.36 minus probability A, it's 0.16 plus x multiplied by 0.36 plus x, which is probability of B. And 0, 0, 0, and we can see that it is equal to 0 is x, and we can just open parentheses and get that it's 0.16 times 0.36 minus 0.16 minus 0.36, which is 0.52x, and minus x squared. And we can see that we get a quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 0.48x plus 0.0576 is 0. You can use the calculator or using discriminant. Discriminant is 0.48 squared minus 4 times 0.0576, and it's 0, hence there is only one root, which is minus b over 2a, so 0.24. So x is found. The next, find probability of a not given not b. And the formula for conditional probability, its conditional probability, is given in a data booklet, and it looks like probability a naught and b naught enumerated divided by probability of this given, so probability of b naught, what is probability of not B? X is 0.24, so not B, it's outside circle B, so it's 1 minus 0.24 minus 0.36, so 1 minus 0.24 minus 0.36, and A naught and B naught, it's neither, it's here, and it can be found as 1 minus probability A or B, because A or B it's here, so it's 1 minus 0.16 plus 0.24 plus 0.36, and it is equal to 0.6, or since two events A and B are independent, there is another formula. It is not given in data booklet, and it's probability A naught given not B is equal to probability A naught given B, and is equal to just probability A naught. It's because two events are independent. It's not necessary not A, it's also for A, probability A given B is equal to probability A given not B, and is equal to probability just A if two events, if A and B are independent. It's another property, another formula which can be used here. Hence, since two events are independent, probability not A given not B, it's just probability not A, which is equal to 1 minus probability A, and we can see that probability A it's 0.16 plus 0.24, which is 0.4, and hence it's 0.6, and we can see that we get the same result. And that's all for this question.